Today's topic is Surgery One Liners Part 2. The cecum is the first organ to be visualized to differentiate between the small and large bowel in cases of intestinal obstruction. The best position for a conscious patient to be in during the insertion of Ryle's tube is sitting with neck flexion. The most common mediastinal tumor is thymoma. Amyloid stroma is characteristically seen in medullary carcinoma. Barrett's esophagus is most commonly associated with adenocarcinoma. The most common functional pancreatic tumor in men one is gastrinoma. Investigation of choice for solitary rectal ulcer is colonoscopy. Intraarterial calcium gluconate infusion used in the management of burns caused by hydrofluoric acid. Rectal carcinoma is staged by Duke's classification. Most common post-operative complication of appendicectomy is wound infection. Most common neoplasm of appendix is carcinoid. Length of flexible sigmoidoscopy is 60 cm. Splenic flexure is most prone for ischemic gangrene. Commonest manifestation of Willem's tumor is abdominal lump. The most common fistula seen in complicated diverticulitis is colovesical. Deep inguinal ring is a defect in fascia transversalis. Investigation of choice in acute colonic diverticulitis is CECT. Hernia containing Meckel's diverticulum is Litter's hernia. Treatment of choice for anal carcinoma is cisplatin-based chemotherapy followed by radiotherapy. Most common type of malignant melanoma is superficial spreading. Most common type of carcinoma esophagus seen in Achalasia cardia is squamous cell carcinoma. Flap commonly used in breast reconstruction is TRAM. Spontaneous perforation of esophagus occurs in lower third. The proximal extent of Crawford type 3 thoracoabdominal aneurysm is mid-descending thoracic aorta. White leg is due to deep vein thrombosis. Gold standard test for diagnosis of GERD is 24 hours pH recording. Z-plasty is an example of transportation flap. Pulmonary tracheotomy is used for bleeding control in lung injury. Bipedical flap is used in reconstruction of eyelid. Most common site of pancreatic adenocarcinoma is head. Giant omphocyl is termed when the defect in anterior abdominal wall is more than 4 cm. The most common position of appendix is retrocecal. The least common position of appendix is post-ileal. The initiating event in the development of appendicitis is luminal obstruction. The fold of Treves is the ilioappendicular fold of the peritoneum. The earliest symptom of acute appendicitis is periumbilical pain. Deep palpation of left iliac fossa may cause pain in the right iliac fossa in appendicitis. This sign is called Rovsing sign. Investigation of choice for acute appendicitis in children is USG. Bacteroides fragilis is the most common anaerobe and Escherichia coli is the most common aerobe isolated from perforated appendix. Management of an appendicular mass in appendicitis is conservative. Tumors of size greater than 2 cm are treated with right hemicolectomy. Yersinia enterocolitis is the most common differential diagnosis of acute appendicitis. Stump size in appendicectomy should not be more than 5 mm. Rupture of Rokitansky-Ashov sinuses leads to xanthogranulomatous cholecystitis. Pancreatic cancer has the highest association with Peutz-Jeghers syndrome. Normal capacity of gallbladder is 50 ml. Non-visualization of gallbladder after radioisotope scanning is seen in acute cholecystitis. Kasai procedure is done for extrahepatic biliary atresia. The most common type of choledochal cyst is type 1. Strawberry gallbladder is seen in cholesterolysis.